by Hushmanzada for the touchdown.
TJ Hushmazoo. TJ, who's your mama? Championship.
Today on the best of sound effects, the might and mayhem of Marshawn Lynch.
You got to run to what you see or what you feel.
I got a little bit of speed on them, though.
I'm just here so I won't get fined.
The beast woke yet? The beast woke yet? The beast woke yet?
Who, me?
That's on the beast I know.
Oh, I've been woke.
Okay.
Give it to the beast, yeah! Give it to the beast! Give it to the beast!
They got your sign, beast mode.
What you know about that one?
Wilson turns, hands to Lynch. Who powers over a defender?
Somebody just had to accept some punishment. You see that?
He said he enjoys being a beast on the field. That's what he looks like right here. Goodness gracious, beast mode. You are spectacular.
I'm in beast mode. You seen they had that sign up there?
Yeah,
I'm going to beast mode.
beast now.
He is electrifying. He is ridiculous. Total beast mode there.
I got to run harder, huh?
He's a load. He's a load.
They can't stop you, dog. I hope you see that.
They can't tackle.
I see that.
They can't tackle. Even when they're free, they can't tackle.
What a run this was. He must have broke 3 tackles on this one, gave one guy a limp leg as he went underneath him trying to tackle him low. You can't do that either.
Don't you guys know you can't tackle beast mode like that?
That's what all pros do, beast.
Lynch looks for running room on the right side. Still gets a little pressure. He keeps going, keeps his legs going. He's in the touchdown. Marshawn Lynch, how did you do that? He was trapped. He was stopped. He kept those legs driving. Touchdown! Seahawks! It's beast mode.
If I would have hit him with the 2-step and just hit him with it like I was going to, then I think it would have been gravy. But I just had to dip on him because that's for my manhood. That's for beast mode.
Second and 10, Seahawk 33.
Matthew under center, Obamana goes in motion right to left. Vernon handle Lynch left side. Finds a little bit of a hole, keeps his legs moving. He's across the 40, midfield. 45, he's on the run, Lynch. 40, pushes the man, 35, look at him go. He's down to 20, 15, he's gonna go. He's gonna go. Touchdown, Seahawks. Oh my word, the beast is alive and well. What a run, 67 yards by Marshawn Lynch. That's as good an effort as I've ever seen in my life from a running back. He breaks the tackle of Shanley, runs through Sharper, runs through Adele, runs through Jabari Greer. Get off me, he says to Tracy Porter. It is a shocker. No other way to say it. 11-point home underdogs with their first-year coach Pete Carroll pull off the shocking upset of the New Orleans Saints.
And there's a lot of cool things that happen. I can't remember them all, but I ain't never seen a run that I love more than Marshawn Lynch's.
Coming up, Marshawn shows off his skills with the Bills.
See that tight spiral?
Marshawn Lynch's first NFL career touchdown pass.
He threw a touchdown and rushed a touchdown.
On mamas, I'm trying to get like LT. Jim Kelly. I never seen what he looked like. I only seen that wooden statue down the street of him. I ain't never met him before. I know what Thurman looked like, though.
Come on, baby.
Let's go, bro, huh? Let's put in some work today, you know what I mean?
That's what time it is.
Just keep hitting them hard all day long, all right? One after another. There's going to be some pretty ones, there's going to be some ugly ones. We're going to make them all right, though, huh?
That's
all
right.
Stand up.
I need one. I need to break my legs in. You ain't seen these wheels yet. Oh, damn, that was 1-1. Damn!
It's all right. Like that one person, you get past that second level person, you gone.
Hey, I got me some pancakes today. Hell yeah.
Think the back option. All right, so if he calls that out a slide, push up and get your duck, you know what I mean? Get that guy redirected, get him moving again. You'll win all day.
6 minutes to go. Buffalo down by a couple of points. Cross swing. Marshawn's going to throw. Looking to the end zone. Looking for Royal. Touchdown, Robert Royal. Marshawn Lynch throws the touchdown strike.
See that touchdown?
Marshawn Lynch's first NFL career touchdown pass.
Got a quarterback rating of 100.
Keeping it that way.
Marshawn throws a strike to him.
Hey, I'm crushed. Hey, I'm crushed.
Like Robert Roy,
Hey, I'm crushed.
Osman takes counter play. It is Marshawn Lynch shaking and tackling to the 45 to midfield. He's going to the house. Marshawn Lynch at the 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown, Marshawn Lynch. This one is over, folks.
Hey! That's what I'm talking about. We finally got us one, huh? That's a great one. That's the way.
Over that 100, baby. Welcome to the NFL.
Didn't I tell you it was gonna come? Didn't I tell you it was gonna come? I told you, right? I told you.
You threw a touchdown and rushed for a touchdown.
On mamas, I'm trying to get like LT.
Up next, Super Bowl Media Day. Beast Mode style.
I'm just here so I won't get fined. I'm here so I won't get fined. I'm here so I won't get fined. I'm just here so I won't get fined.